Welcome to witnesses, you're clear to unstrap. Welcome to space.
To all you kids down there, I was once a child with a dream, looking up to the stars. Now I'm an adult in a spaceship with lots of other wonderful adults looking down to our beautiful, beautiful Earth. To the next generation of dreamers, if we can do this, just imagine what you can do.
All right, everybody, look out the window. Don't miss apogee.
Oh my God.
Be quiet.
Woo! Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, this is unbelievable. This is too unbelievable. Wow. Oh, unbelievable.
You are the man.
And please return to your seats and strap in. Approach and re-entry.
Okay.
Get back up.
Go, guys! Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That's incredible. To space.
Oh,
Unbelievable. Is it everything you thought it would be?
fantastic.
Here, look. Oliver. Move your head just a
Oh,
little.
that's great.
Can you move your head a little while I
Oh,
flash?
yeah. Hi, Mom. I love it.
Oh, wow, wow, wow. Look at the blackness of space. Unbelievable. Here, catch.
Oh yeah, Dingman balls.
Ready?
Woohoo!
Here it comes. Yeah, you just have to wait for it. Who wants a Skittle?
Oh, yeah, yeah. Sure
With
one.
your arm, and I'm gonna pull you down.
Alright, see if you can catch this in your mouth. Yeah! Well done! Here, toss me one. Let me try.
Here it goes. Oh, sure. Mid fast.
Here, try again.
I can't get it up.
I got you. Oh wow.
No, awesome.
He coming. Oh.
It's so good.
Here. Oh wow.
Oh my God.
Woo!
This is incredible. Enjoy that.
Oh, I love it. I love it.
Oh wow.
Man, this
Oh,
is
yeah.
different, isn't it?
It's a little different. I cannot.
Oh wow.
Thank
Guys,
you,
take a moment to look
sweetheart.
outside.
Wonderful. Mwah.